How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Everything Weapons. Today I'm going to be reading from the firearmnews.com, so all credit to them. New 2026 Pointer ST912 Walnut model, over under now shipping. So these beautiful shotguns scream overall value and abundant features that normally would cost much more for anything similar. So Legacy Sports International in Reno, Nevada on the 25th, announced the new 2026 Pointer ST912 Walnut over-under shotguns are now shipping. So the new Pointer comes with an eye-catching black finish on the 30-inch barrels and receiver, and is paired with a complementing beautiful walnut fore-end and buttstock with an adjustable comb. A jewelered receiver assures a smooth break open and shut of the action. Ejectors, crisp triggers, 5 extended chokes. Surely a shotgun that will stand out not only on the dealer's shelves, but also on the gun rack at the range, be it sporting clays or the trap club. So it features 12 GA 3-inch chamber, 30-inch chrome-lined vent rib barrels, beautiful walnut fore-end and buttstock, a black receiver, adjustable cheek piece, 5 extended chokes, jewelered receivers, ejectors, red bead sight, barrel selector, and crisp mechanical trigger. So Legacy Sports International is a leading importer and exporter of firearms and optics based out of Reno, Nevada. For over 20 years, Legacy Sports has supplied distribution, independent dealers, and shooting enthusiasts with rifles that are quality, shotguns, handguns, and optics at a superior value. Some of the top brands that Legacy Sports imports are the renowned Howa rifles from Japan, Pointer shotguns from Turkey, Citadel brands from Turkey and Brazil, SCSA from Australia. Today, Legacy Sports provides over a dozen of the top distributors and thousands of dealers across the USA with quality firearm products, value pricing, and strong fulfillment, which has been made the importer of choice. So thank you guys very much for watching. Type a comment down below if you are acquiring your own 2026 Pointer ST912 Walnut model over under, and drop a like, subscribe, especially if you are new, ring the bell, that way you don't miss any video I post in the future, and check out the older stuff on the channel. Until next time, I will see you in the next one.